In this Elementor tutorial video, I'll show how to edit a home page in Elementor WordPress. So as you can see over here, this is a website which I've made, and this is the home page which I've made over here. Let me just show it to you. This is the home page. Okay, you see this is a nice looking home page which I've made. But the thing is that when I click on this logo, it takes me to the front page of the website. You see html.touchbarewebsolutions.com. It takes me to the front end of the website, front page of the website, but the home page is not set to the front page of the website. Okay, in order to set this home page as the front page, what you need to do, we need to go to the back end of the website, go to dashboard over here, and then go to settings, then go to reading. Then instead of your home page displays, instead of latest post, you choose this one, a static page. And for the home page, you choose this one, home. Okay, then simply click on save changes. Now when I refresh the page, home page, so this is the home. Okay, let me purge all the readings and I'll save changes again. Let me refresh this page. And now when I refresh it, you see that this is the home page. Okay, home page. Now the home page is set as the front page over here. Okay, in order to edit this home page using Elementor, all you need to do, you can hover over this and click over here, edit with Elementor, or you can click over here, edit page, go to the backend of the website, and you can click over here, edit with Elementor. So whichever you prefer, right? So it is loading the Elementor, the front. So this is the home page over here, and over here you see this the slider over here, and this is made with a plugin called Slider Evolution. And this is the page contents, rest of the page content. So if you want to change any text, you can simply click on this and edit the text over here. And remove this text, and I can just type over here. This is a great looking website. Okay, so you can change the text over here like this. And if you click on this button, you can add a link over here like google.com over here. I can copy this link and add this link to this button over here. I can also make this link open up in a new tab or window. Great. I can change this image something else like this one. Great. This one, maybe I can change it to this one over here. See, I can change this images. I can change his image to something else. Maybe this one I can change it to red. You see? So this is how you can easily edit the text, edit the home page using Elementor WordPress. Great. I can, after making the changes, I can click on publish, and these changes will be published to the front end of the website over here. If I scroll down, you see the changes have been made over here. Great. Now, if I click on this logo, it takes me to the front end of the website, which is the page that is the front page of the website. Okay. So this is how you easily can edit your home page with Elementor WordPress. So I hope this video helped you out. And if it did, then please make sure to like this video and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you.